In the next few minutes, we'll discuss the upcoming enhancements in Release 1.2 of the IHS Engineering Workbench. The first enhancement we'll discuss is our new intelligent search. Historically, users have had to choose between search and retrieval technology, sometimes called keyword technology, or research and discovery technology, sometimes called semantic technology. We've combined both of these technologies to give you a one-stop shop for all of your technical search needs. For example, suppose that I know the title of the document that I'm looking for, ISO 9001. Simply typing in this search string presents me with documents that meet those requirements. In fact, I don't even have to run the search. I can simply click the document and it's retrieved quickly and efficiently. But what if I don't know the title of the document? Perhaps I'm new to this area, or perhaps my boss has asked me to look into quality management system requirements. I simply type the concept in, and even before I finish typing, the system recognizes that perhaps I'm interested in planning or processes or requirements. In fact, requirements is what I'm interested in. I can either select the concept from the query type ahead, or again, the system has already recognized that there's a document that has this information in the title. Again, I simply click the document and it's retrieved. So, to summarize our new intelligent search capability, in the first example, we searched by title. In the second example, we researched for a concept. But in both cases, we were led to the same document. The system automatically understood the difference between the two different types of queries and led us to the same conclusion. Next, let's discuss the enhancements to our document viewer. Upon opening a standard, you may notice some things that look a little different. First, notice the left-hand side. There's a table of contents that I can use to navigate to the major sections in the document. There's also a bookmark button, which allows me to capture a link to this document so that I can return to it very easily in the future. I can also annotate or mark up things of interest. I can also search for keywords within the document. I can also download the PDF of this document. As always, every document in the engineering workbench, including standards, has an automatically generated summary. I can translate this summary to a multitude of other languages. Additionally, when I run queries in the workbench, I can get answers from documents that are written in these foreign languages. On the Document History tab, I can see the history or the pedigree of this document. Notice that the old revisions are hyperlinked, so if need be, I can take a look at those as well. On the Related Documents tab, I can see equivalencies. These can be thought of as similar documents or like documents. I can see references. In other words, what documents does this document point out to? These are outgoing references. I can see reference by. In other words, what other documents point to this document as a reference? These can be thought of as incoming references. Let's take a look at the next enhancement to our search results display. In addition to the traditional table view, there's a new grid view where the document number and title and other fields are separated. This makes it easier to find document numbers and titles at a glance. In addition, on the left-hand side, the traffic light icon can be slid out, where I can very easily access my summary, save or export commands, bookmark document command, and history. Lastly, let's discuss the concept of a role-based interface. To access this functionality, the user simply clicks the gear icon at the top right, and then clicks the My Roles and Functions tab. Before we deselect the Problem Solver checkbox, note the tabs here at the top. Deselecting Problem Solver and applying the changes removes those tabs from the interface, thereby simplifying the interface. Additionally, all content other than standards content is removed, thereby simplifying the content that's available to the user as well. In summary, the IHS Engineering Workbench has always been your single source for ebooks, journal articles, and other technical reference content. But with the enhancements you've seen today, you can now easily find, use, and manage your standards documents alongside your other essential technical references. With version 1.2, IHS Engineering Workbench is taking an important step toward becoming a one-stop shop for all of your standards and technical documents.